Today I'm going to be talking about the importance of keeping all of your tires at the correct PSI. You want to make sure that you do this because as you go down the road, when your tires are at their correct PSI, your car will run smoothly and you will get better fuel economy. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up your driver's side door. This way you can look in the door jamb and see where you can find the correct tire pressure. In this case, the car's cold tire pressure should be at around 35 psi for both the front and rear tires. However, this varies from car to car. It is also important to keep in mind that you want to make sure that your spare tire is up to correct psi as well, because if you ever were to get a flat tire, you wouldn't want to take out your spare and it be flat as well. To fill up the tires, I'm going to be using this portable tire inflator. This simply plugs in right into your cigarette outlet and then has a long enough cord so that you can go to each of the 4 tires and fill them up. This one even comes with a digital display that will display your car's current tire pressure and as it inflates. Now that you're ready to inflate your tires, what you're going to do is unscrew the cap and make sure that you put it down in a place so that you don't lose it, and then simply attach your tire inflation system. Now that all 4 tires are inflated, it's important to check your spare tire as well. In this car, the spare tire happens to be in the trunk, but if you're having trouble finding it, be sure to check your owner's manual. Now I'm going to remove the spare tire and then get it inflated to make sure that it's at the correct PSI. Now that the spare tire has been inflated to the correct PSI, it's important to go around once again and check all 4 tires for any sorts of debris or rocks or any sort of leaks that you may not have noticed in the past.